Have you ever wondered what lies beneath the ground we walk on? Is it just soil and rocks, or could there be something more? Well, for a little girl named Lily, what lay beneath was a world full of magic and wonder. In a distant land, Lily, a girl full of curiosity, found a peculiar tree during one of her explorations. This tree was not like the others. It was gigantic, with branches that seemed to touch the sky. And at the base of the trunk, a small door caught Lily's attention. Driven by curiosity, Lily opened the door, revealing a staircase that led down into the depths of the earth. Descending into the unknown, she found herself in an enchanting underground world, a place where animals could talk, fairies fluttered about, and even a friendly dragon named Puff resided. During her exploration, she stumbled upon a group of distressed fairies. Their magic wand was missing, and without it, their magic was lost. Being the kind-hearted girl that she was, Lily decided to help. Her mission was clear: find the wand and restore the fairies' magic. Her journey was not an easy one. She navigated a furious river, scaled a towering mountain, and even encountered a formidable dragon. But Lily was not deterred. Her bravery and resolve powered her through each obstacle. Days turned into nights, and nights into days, until finally, she found the wand. Returning it to the fairies, their joy knew no bounds. In gratitude, they granted Lily a wish. Her wish was simple: to return home to her family. And so, the fairies waved their newly restored wand, and Lily was back home. But the memory of her magical adventure lingered. She knew that the underground world held many other wonders waiting to be discovered. And while she was back in the comfort of her home, Lily eagerly anticipated the day she would return to the magical underground world. Her adventure was but a taste of the many more that awaited her.